Hi friends, welcome my channel. Here you'll find exciting product videos, honest reviews, and the latest tech and gadget discoveries. Top 5 Best Product Reviews. Number 5. USB wired gamepad designed for PC, Android devices, PS3 console, and PC 360 compatibility. Features dual motor vibration for realistic gaming feedback and responsive controls. Plug-and-play design ensures easy setup, while the ergonomic grip provides comfort for long gaming sessions. Number 4. Bonacell RGB Light Wireless Controller for PlayStation 5, PS5 Pro, PS5 Slim, and PC features vibrant RGB lighting, macro and turbo functions, and double vibration feedback for immersive gameplay. Enjoy responsive controls, ergonomic design, and stable wireless connectivity, delivering smooth performance. Number 3. Wireless controller designed for PlayStation 5, PS5 Pro, PS5 Slim, and PC gaming. Features RGB lighting, programmable macro and turbo functions, and advanced Hall effect joysticks for precise, no-drift control. Enjoy stable wireless connectivity, responsive triggers, ergonomic design, and immersive gameplay. Number 2. ABGI KP40 Wireless Gamepad features ultra-fast 2000 Hz polling for highly responsive gameplay. Equipped with dual vibration triggers and adjustable TMR joysticks, it delivers precise control and immersive feedback. Compatible with PC and Android devices, this controller ensures smooth performance, comfort. Number 1. The Canva Phantom Wireless Game Controller features precision Hall effect joysticks for smooth, drift-free control. It supports 2.4G wireless, Bluetooth, and wired connections, ensuring versatile compatibility with PC, Android, iOS, and TV devices. Enjoy responsive gameplay, ergonomic design. Visit the description below for the product link. Thank you for watching my informative video.